Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by verifying basics you might skip. Find the Skyworth model code on the back or in settings, because pairing methods vary by model. Next, turn the TV on manually. Make sure the screen responds so the issue is not the TV. Then open the remote, test both batteries, replace with fresh ones and watch polarity. Once done, point the remote at the IR window and press power. If nothing happens, proceed to pairing and signal tests in the next step. Once you confirmed the batteries and TV power, check the remote's IR output with a smartphone camera. Press any button and look for a flash. This proves the LED is emitting. If no flash, reset the remote by removing batteries for 10 seconds and reinstalling them. If the remote uses Bluetooth, go to TV settings, remote and accessories, then add device. Follow on-screen prompts to pair. Make sure the TV's Bluetooth is enabled and within 3 to 5 feet during initial pairing. Finish by verifying all essential functions: power, volume, input, and menu navigation. Test at distances and angles to confirm IR range. If the Skyworth remote still fails, download the Skyworth remote app or configure a universal remote as a temporary solution. These often use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and bypass a faulty IR emitter. If that doesn't work, document model and serial numbers, the tests you ran, and contact Skyworth support for replacement or repair. One key tip: try a different set of fresh batteries before concluding the remote is dead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.